Oh no, do I hear the bells chiming of a Silksong video? Dun dun dun! Yes, more Silksong. That is what I am going to play right now. Yes. Yes, the game where I silk the song. I have moved into, Blasted Steps. Oh my god. Yeah, I moved into Blasted Steps. I got all the maps. I bought all the fast travels I can get so far. So you should be happy, okay? Happy. I have everything. I have everything you want me to get. Alright? So no more being mad. Right now I'm on my way to fight Last Judge. Deserve to die. I'm a bit laggy. 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 My FPS kinda sucks. My FPS does kinda suck. I'm a bit laggy. Dang it, I can't get up there. Please die. Please die. Please die. Please die. Please die. Can you die? Jesus. Why do they have to make that the enemy with the most HP in the game? Do you see how many hits I got on it? Oh, and yeah, for some reason, I just have a habit of killing these guys. Oh no. Oh, thank God. Alright, cool. We killed him. This is a shortcut. I think this is a shortcut. This is a shortcut. This is not a very useful shortcut. Especially since the wind is going insane now. Okay. Come on, we made it this far. What now? This. Yo, if I don't be... Whoa! Okay, thank God. Bro, I'm trying... When I try to down pogo, I don't down pogo. When I'm not trying to down pogo, I don't down pogo. I down pogo. What is this? This joystick sucks. It's almost impossible to play with this thing. Ugh. I'd rather do Steel Soul than this stupid thing. Look, I can barely reach the enemies. I could play on the toaster and it'd be more efficient than this crap. Bro! Not even mad. This toaster of a joystick just sucks. How do y'all play on this? Genuinely, how do these controller or joystick players actually exist? It's hard for me to believe that. I'm pretty sure they're just going through torture to make it look like, oh, I like playing on this device that you don't play on. Oh, look how unique I am. What? Okay, this game is rigged. This game is rigged. This game is actually rigged. I don't care what you say. This game is rigged. This controller is rigged. I should have never used it because this controller sucks. Oh my God, I need to buy them all. Dude, I need to buy the mod where I can place a bench right outside of wherever I'm going. I need to get silk? Well, that's bullcrap. How do I get silk? There's nothing to get silk from. What? Oh my god, this is so stupid. I'll just get the silk from this weird thing. And him too. I can't reach it. I cannot. I cannot. I just cannot. Dude, these stupid enemies. Holy crap. What in the world is this stupid game? Made by psychopaths. Jesus. I've listened to the Canadian national anthem for 5 hours more than played this game again on JOYSTICK. Come on, you have the most predictable patterns in the entire game. No way I died too. Well, I died too because this controller doesn't know how to work. Blame the joystick. I hate this joystick. I don't know why my dad bought it. Playing on the joystick was the worst decision I've ever made in my entire life. I regret it every day. Why? These two share one brain cell. Finally. Of course, only during the boss's fight. This is bullcrap. Why am I sliding so much? Dude, I'm practically holding move at this point. If I don't, I'm gonna slide away. Is this floor made out of ice? I think Hornet has dementia. Or some other mental problem. Not dementia, like slippery. Slippery something. Feet fungus. That's the word. Feet fungus is not letting her walk because she's slipping all the time. Feet fungus. That's the second phase. And I just took damage there because this controller refuses to work as it's intended. What bullcrap are you gonna do now? I know your attack patterns, it's just I can't freaking play because my joystick won't properly work. Yeah, no skill issue involved, buddy. Just game issues. Or not game issues, controller issues. This choice of device issues, sorry. This is a very good boss. By the way, I set up a poll on what route I should do, and y'all made it very clear that you wanted Last Judge route. Which, thanks, I hate the Phantom route, so. having to go through bile water, then the mist. Like, Jesus. Worst areas. Just to make it into the Citadel? Would I could take my favorite boss? See right there? You know how I was walking towards him? That wasn't me. That was the joystick. That was the joystick. That was the joystick deciding it hated me. How much HP does he have? Bro. I need to be taught how to pogo with the controller.